Valentyne Enterprise, Sophie and Willem, and Goliath. Hello, Alice. Hello, Willem. Sophie. And we have little male Poppy out with all the other Chihuahuas. Hello, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Let's go for a walk. Tina, Jasmine, come on, let's go. Come on, Tina, Jasmine. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Down, please. Down, please. Hello, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Hello, Willem. Sophie. Who's got that ball? Go get it, buddy. Hello. Sophie. Stay. Good boy, Willem. Good boy. All right, down you go. All the Chihuahua doggies are out with the Keeshonds for a morning time duty break and playtime. They've been out for about an hour now. Boop, boop, boop. Be nice to Frankie, Pubble baby. Boop, boop, boop. Hello, Pubble baby. Boop, boop, boop. Ida Louise. Hello, Pixie. This fall, winter, we will be retiring a handful of Chihuahuas in attempts to downsize before our rebuild project happens. Boop, boop, boop. We will be rehoming, retiring Alice and Pixie and several of the other dogs. Dusty, Foxy Lady inside the house. She's not out. And Jasmine. Jasmine, where'd you go? Jasmine. And there's one other one. I'm not entirely sure where she went to. But we do know that Judy, hello Judy. Judy has not mated. She's over about a year and a half. She's a year and a half old. She has not mated, and she is borderline too small to mate with Ravikai. So we are going to be probably looking for a home for Judy. Judy Snooty. Judy is from Alice and Mousy, originally. So, some updates to do. Goliath, come here, Goliath. Goliath, come on. Good boy, Goliath. Good boy, Goliath. No, he wants to go over there. Hello. Goliath is up for adoption anytime. He's ready to go. Along with Daisy May. Daisy, where's Daisy? Hello, Goliath. Good boy, went pee and poo outside. Daisy, come here, please. Daisy. Daisy, come here. Where's Daisy? Daisy May is also available. Daisy, come here, please. Outside. No, I guess not. Hello, Tina. Are you enjoying the sun? Tina. Call Patricia Janssen, Valentyne Enterprise, about Chihuahua puppies. Oh, there's Daisy. Daisy is available, and so is Oksana. Oksana, hello. We are located in Havelock, Ontario, KOL 1Z0 for Chihuahua puppies or Keeshond dogs. Did you see me throw that rock, Sophie? Good girl. And that's Zaiku in the kennel barking. Here's Frankie. Hello, Frankie. We've temporarily named him Frankie. He is looking for a home as well. He's a puppy, Chihuahua puppy. Again, Patricia Janssen, 705-930-3541. Chihuahua dogs, Keeshond dogs, and Bengal cats. There are also 2 Bengal cats for adoption. Queen Nefertiti and Queen Cleopatra in the house, in the cat room area. Hello, Ida. Boop, boop, boop. Hello, Theodora. Hello. Are you hanging out with the Keeshond puppy? Hello, Henriette. Hello. Henriette and Wanda are our new Keeshond girls that we've gotten on exchange from another breeder for next year. Hello. Hello. Is that Wanda? Is that Wanda or Henriette? Maybe I got the two of them mixed up. Oh, I think that's Wanda. Oh no, that's Henriette and Wanda right there. Hello. Hello, Hilda Marie. Oh, he's so pretty, Hilda. Hilda's our Chihuahua for next year. Hello, Clementine. Hello. Patricia Janssen, 705-930-3541. Valentyne Enterprise, Chihuahuas, Keeshonds, and Bengal cats. Bye now.